Nicely glossed door. So that's 3 coats on that door. The oil-based undercoat, another undercoat tinted to the wool colour, and then the actual gloss enamel. Same as all these window frames, they've all been 3 coated. Now we've got some ceiling problems up here. Apparently this was a smoker's little spot, so we've got a yellow through this whole area here. I don't know if you can see that yellow. So that's got to have either flat enamel or an oil-based undercoat over this ceiling in this carport. And I'll probably just do the whole lot in it. I've got enough oil-based undercoat there. All these frames have been gapped and oil-based undercoated. All my window boxes have been glossed. Actually, this one here is one I haven't glossed yet. Okay, so that's the second undercoat. So we oil-based undercoat, then we got another undercoat, then we got gloss. So we've just got to put gloss on then, and then that one will be finished. All these ones over here have all been glossed and are finished. So all them ones are done as well. The kitchen one's done. And I'm just finishing the very last one. We've got a door here that's been glossed. So that's just been glossed this morning. Nice shiny 3 coats. The plasterer's come and put his top coat on today. So that was a little tiny hole. You see that little tiny hole and how big it's actually become. And then this is a joint across here. So he's going to sand that. Now we had cornice that was cracking off. Now the only thing I know in my experience how to fix that is liquid nails. Water-based liquid nails fixes that. It actually glues it in. That's an expansion joint there. You see there? This is a bit of the liquid nails painted. So you see it doesn't sis off, it is paintable, it has no problems. And I've used that on quite a lot of spots because the cornice is coming off quite a lot of areas. I've still got to plaster areas like this. I've still got, tomorrow we'll be cleaning these ceilings. I've still got to finish in here yet. The ceiling in here is going to go in the wall colour. That's where that exhaust fan was when they were growing the little hoochie hooch up here. Gloss enamel all finished there. This is my 5th day today, so I've still got quite a lot of work left. Yeah, it's still got quite a lot of work left yet. That's been glossed there. Pain in the ass spot down there.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.